Okay, it's 7 o'clock and we'll begin. Just observe your breathing like we did yesterday, the abdominal breathing. Keep your eyes closed. Feel your belly rising up like a balloon when you are inhaling. Give a nice rise to your belly. And when you are exhaling, just feel your abdomen going inside. Keep your focus completely on your breath. Just calm your mind. Just prepare yourself for the practice. Prepare a mindset to give 1 hour on your mat completely. Just relax your whole body and focus your mind. You should not be disturbed by any sound. You should be in deep meditative posture and do not let any thoughts also come to your mind. If it is coming, do not hold them. Just let them come and let them go. So best meditation is when you are thoughtless. The aim of meditation is to focus your mind without any thoughts. You should not do any planning for future. You should not think about anything in the past. Just be in the moment. With all the focus, bring your legs together. Take your hands over and above your head. Interlock your fingers. Stretch nicely. Stretch nicely. Stretch them completely and release. Take a turn towards any one side and slowly sit back, keeping your eyes closed. We will begin the session with 3 Om chanting followed by a prayer. So it's for my better concentration. If you are into it, chant along with me. You can take a deep inhale. Inhale again. One more time. Inhale. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sah Veeryam Karavavahe Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Gently rub your palms together. Cup it to your eyes. Give the nice warmth to your eyes. Bring your palms in front of you. Look at your palms and open your eyes. Good morning. Hope you all are doing good. Cool. So what we learned yesterday was eye exercises and neck exercises. So we'll begin with that. So I'll just give the counts and we will practice together. Fine. So we'll start with eye exercises. Just sit straight. Sit in any comfortable cross-leg position. Back straight, neck straight, shoulders relaxed. Do not shrug your shoulders. Take a moment, close your eyes for 2 to 3 seconds. And then gently open your eyes and let's begin. Look up, down, up, down. Do not move your neck. Look up, only move your eyes. Down, up, down, and the last one, up and down, sidewise. Look at your right, no head movements. Left, slowly, very slowly move your eyeballs. Right, to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left. Keep deep and long breathing. Take a moment, close your eyes, then we will do diagonal movements. So from one corner to the other corner I will be moving. So slowly open your eyes and look at the right top corner. Look right, bottom left, diagonal movement, top right, bottom left, top right, bottom left, top right, bottom left, last one, top right. Slowly look at bottom left, opposite direction, top left, bottom right, top left, bottom right, top left, bottom right, top left, bottom right, top left, last, bottom right. Take a moment, close your eyes. This is relaxation for eyes. We are moving all 6 muscles. Now slowly open your eyes and we'll do rotations. So start looking up, right, bottom, left, 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 opposite direction, up, left, bottom, right, up, left, bottom, right, up, left, bottom, right, up, left, bottom, right, last one, up, left, bottom, right. Keep your eyes closed. Gently rub your palms again. Give the relaxation and warmth to your eye muscles. Cup it to your eyes. Do not press your eyes, just cup them gently. And then slowly open your eyes. We will do the head rotations. One moment. Nice. So for head rotations, again back straight, neck straight. So drop your head down first, then to the back. Give a nice stretch to your neck on both the sides. To the front, down, back, slowly. Only your neck is moving, not your whole body. 3, down, up. Slowly, take it very slowly. Down, up, Last one, down. And slowly take it back. We'll rotate our head sideways. So slowly move your head with your breath towards your right side. Completely right. Just keep your eyes open and look around. Slowly to the left. Bring your head to the left side with your breath. And then slowly to the right. Only your head is moving, not your body, Premlata. To the left. Slowly. To the right. Very slowly observe things around you. To the left. To the right. To the left. Last one to the right. Hold it there at the right side. Feel the stretch in your neck muscles. Feel it. And then bring it to center slowly. And then take to the left. And feel the stretch. Take a moment there. Feel the stretch in the right side of your neck. And then bring to the center. Just move your legs, shake your legs if need to. And then again come back. So we'll see Anulom Vilom. We'll practice two types today, single nostril breathing and alternate nostril breathing. So I'll give the demonstration first for mudras. So your right hand will be in Vishnu Mudra, which is your index finger and middle finger will be folded and touching to this high part below your thumb. What it does, what Vishnu Mudra does is, these two fingers are connected to brain and this is the point of heart. So it massages the heart when we practice Vishnu Mudra. And your thumb and your ring finger will be open. So when we will be practicing, we will be closing our right nostril with our thumb and we will be closing our left nostril with the ring finger. So it will go like this, okay? And very gently you have to press. Okay, the next hand will be in Chin Mudra, that is your tip of the index finger will be touching the tip of the thumb and rest three fingers will be open. So this is the position of mudra for meditation as well. Why we do this mudra is our five fingers represents five different things. So index finger is aham, like ego. This is Brahman, thumb is God. And these three fingers represents three gunas, Rajas, Tamas and Sattva. So we are saying, I am united with the God, I am not three gunas. So we are just uniting with the God with this mudra. There is Gyan mudra as well. Sometimes we do like this. We don't touch the tip, we just surrender ourselves to the God. This finger will surrender below the hand. You can hear me, right? Is it? Others, were you able to see my hand? Okay, they can. Oh, is it? Now can you see? I don't know, you may need to adjust some camera. Okay, fine. So left hand is in Chin Mudra, that is tip of your index finger will be touching tip of your thumb. So it's clear why we do these two mudras, right? Let's begin. I'll demonstrate first for single nostril breathing. That is, first we will inhale with the left and exhale with the left for 5 counts. Like this. We'll close, we'll sit straight. Left hand will be on the knee and elbow bent close to the body. Right hand will be in Vishnu Mudra. We will close our right nostril. Inhale from the left for 5 counts. And then we'll exhale from the same nostril for 5 counts. We'll do this for 5 times and then we'll do it on the other side. We'll close left nostril and inhale and exhale from the right nostril. Okay, so left one represents Chandra Nadi and right represents Surya Nadi. So today we'll practice both, but during winters you can practice only right side or the Surya Nadi, right nostril breathing. And after that I'll demonstrate Anulom Vilom once we complete single nostril breathing. So back straight, neck straight, chin parallel to the ground always. Sit in any cross-leg comfortable position. Left hand Chin Mudra on your knees, elbows bent. Right hand Vishnu Mudra, first 2 fingers folded. Close your right nostril with your thumb. Inhale 1 from the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale from the left, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back straight. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, count for 5 times. Elbows close to your body, Premlata. Do not lift or do not stress your hand. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Gently release both your hands on your knees. Just take a moment, observe your breath. So every time both our nostrils are not working, sometimes you may feel your one nostril is blocked, but you will be able to breathe slowly with that also. We'll do it on the right side nostril. Close your left nostril with your ring finger, same hand with the right hand itself. Close it with the ring finger and then inhale from the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale for 3 more rounds on your own. Equal breathing. Once you complete 3 rounds, release your hands on your knees. Keep your neck straight, back straight. Okay. And then slowly close your eyes and relax yourself. Just sit in comfortable position. If you need to open your legs and move it, just do that. Kruti, I cannot see your video. Kruti and Premlata both. You both can hear me, right? Vinay and Rani ji? Okay. Okay, you can see me. Okay, your video. Oh yeah, now you both are there. Yeah, okay. So for alternate nostril breathing, we'll be in the same position only when we will start from the left nostril inhalation. So we will, and this will be 1:2 ratio. So we will be inhaling for 5 counts, exhaling for sorry, inhaling for 4 counts, exhaling for 8 counts. Okay, and we will not hold the breath anywhere in this. So we will start with closing our right nostril. Just look at me for the first round. Inhale left, 1, 2, 3, 4, close left. Exhale right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Inhale right, 1, 2, 3, 4, close right, and exhale left for 8 counts. So this completes one full round. We will do 8 rounds of Anulom Vilom. So come into comfortable sitting position. Back straight, neck straight again, and your elbows will not be like this. You are stressing yourself. We don't have to give stress to anywhere in the body while doing this. So elbow will be close to body. This hand will also be relaxed. This is not going somewhere. It should be in control and relaxed. Okay, everyone, close your right nostril. Inhale left, 1, 2, 3, 4, close left. Exhale right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Inhale right, 1, 2, 3, 4, close right. Exhale left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale left, 2, 3, 4, close left. Exhale right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Inhale right, 1, 2, 3, 4, close right. Exhale left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Inhale left, 2, 3, 4, close left. Exhale right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4, close right. Exhale left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale left, 3, 4, close left. Exhale right with control, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4, close right. Exhale left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale left, count for 4, close left. Exhale right, 2, 3, 4, 7 and 8. Inhale right, close right. Exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Back straight. Exhale left. One last round. Inhale left. Close left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Close right and exhale completely from the left. Release your hands. Keep your eyes closed. Take deep and long breath. Observe your breathing. Observe the abdominal breathing. Observe your belly rising up and down with every breath. Just take a moment. If you need to, you can stretch your legs as well. Stretch your body. Okay. By the time you are relaxing, I'll just demonstrate one round of Surya Namaskar. and then we will do it together. So for Surya Namaskar, breathing we will start tomorrow. You can just breathe normally today. Inhale and exhale normally. Sequence of breathing we will start from tomorrow. Just look at me for the first round. Your legs will be together. So if you have any back pain, severe back pain issues, you can keep your feet hip width apart. Otherwise, it should be always together. So this is really good exercise for whole body. So only Surya Namaskar is also enough to do if you want to build the habit of yoga. Feet together, back straight, tailbone tucked inside, palms beside your body. The first step is Namaste, where you will be looking front. Second one, you will take your arms over and above your head and you will bend as much as you can. You will be bending only from your hips. You are not moving like this or bending your knees. So you will only go as much as possible. Then keeping the hands straight and head in between your hands, you will fold forward only from the hips and try to go down as much as possible. So if you are not able to touch the floor, you can bend the knees here and try to touch the floor. And then place your palms on the floor and then take your right leg back. Then right knee on the floor, right toes will be flat. This leg will be straight 90 degrees, the front leg, and it will be on the floor. We will be looking up. Just see the postures now, okay? And then lifting it up, taking other leg also back, we will come into a plank position and looking at the top of our mat. Then knees down, hips will remain up. We'll drop the chest in between the palms and our forehead or chin on the floor. So here we are touching 8 parts of our body to the floor. So if you are not able to come like this, knees, chest, chin, then you can lie down and lift the hips up. And then we'll drop the body, slide forward, come to Bhujangasana, that is elbows will be bent here. You are not coming completely, you will be coming only lifting your head and chest up and looking up. Then lift your whole body, inverted V. Here you have to push your body back and try to touch the floor with your heels. Then again right leg forward in between your palms, left leg on the floor, look up. Other leg forward, fold forward. Then again here you have to stretch your hands first and then bring your whole body together, arch back, release. This is half round. Another half will be on the left side like this. Inhale and exhale. Okay, breathing we'll do tomorrow. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So everyone stand up. So for the first round, if you have any doubts, you can look at me. From the next round, I will look at you. Okay? Feet together. Look straight. Roll your shoulder back, tuck your tailbone inside. Palms together. Take a moment. Arms up, arch back. Slowly exhale, fold forward. Fingertips on the mat. Bend Bend your knees if you need to. Take your right leg back. Right knee on the floor, right toes flat. Look up. Take the other leg back. Come into a plank position. Look at the top of your mat. Whole body in one straight line. Knees down, slowly, very slowly drop your knees. Chest down, elbows close to the body, chin down. Slide forward, head up, chest up. Keep your elbows bent, only head up, chest up. Lift your hips up to inverted V. Push your body back. Slowly bring your right leg in between your palms. If you need to, take the support of your hand and lift it and bring it. Right leg in between your palms. Premlata, take the support of your hand and bring it like this. Keep your back leg on the floor and catch hold of your ankle and bring it. And then other leg forward. Fold forward. Stretch your arms. Come up, arch back. Exhale, release. Left side, inhale and exhale, prayer position. Inhale, arms up, arch back. Exhale, fold forward. Fingertips on the floor. Beside your legs, both the hands will be beside your legs. Left leg back. Slowly. Your palms on the floor, left leg back. Right leg will be in between your hands, between your palms. Then other leg back in plank position. Hips down, whole body in one straight line. Yes. Knees down, chest down, chin down. Slide forward, inhale, head up, chest up, elbows close to body. Hips up to inverted V. Left leg forward in between your palms. Take the support, hold your ankle and bring it. Back leg on the floor, knee on the floor. Other leg also forward. Stretch your arms in front of you. Arch back. And release. Second round. Inhale and exhale, prayer position. Kruti, if you can keep your camera a little bit backwards, will it be possible? Premlata, also your head is not visible. Yes, Vinay, you too can little bit move. Yeah, okay, fine. Rani ji, your video is, yeah, now I can see all of it. Inhale and exhale, prayer position. Palms to the chest. Inhale, arms up, arch back. Slowly, slowly. Exhale, fold forward. Bend your knees, Premlata, yes. Take right leg back. Right knee on the floor, right toes flat. Knee on the floor, right knee on the floor, Premlata. Knee on the floor, yes. Look up everyone. Take the other leg back to plank position. Your whole body in one straight line. Hips down, Premlata, little bit. Yes, yes, perfect. Knees down. Chest down with control. Hips up, lift your hips up, everyone. Yes, chin on the floor. Slide forward, head up, chest up. Bend your elbows, keep your elbows bent close to your body. Rani ji, bend your elbows. You should come like this only. Yes. Lift your hips up, Parvatasana, inverted V. Try to push your upper body back. Instead of moving your legs, just try to push yourself towards the back side from the upper body. Now right leg forward in between your hands, left knee on the floor, left toes flat, look up. Premlata, take your right ankle like this and bring it in between your palms. Yes. Look up. Other leg forward, fold forward. Stretch your arms in front of you, come up, arch back as much as you can, and then release. Left side, inhale and exhale, prayer position. Inhale, arms up, arch back. Exhale, fold forward. Both the palms beside your feet. Beside your feet on the mat. Palms on the mat. Left leg back, left knee on the floor, left toes flat. Left toes flat, yes, look up. Left knee on the floor, look up. Other leg back, plank position. Your wrist and your shoulder will be in one straight line. Hips up, Raniji, hips up. Premlata, hips down. Kruti, look forward, yes. Knees down, chest down, chin down. Elbows close to the body, hips up. Slide forward, head up, chest up. Take the support of your palms, head up, chest up, yes, elbows bent. Lift your hips up to inverted V. Very nice. Take the right leg forward. We were on the right side only, right? Left side or right side? Okay, bring your left leg forward. Sorry. Left leg forward. Look up. Take the support of your hand and bring your left leg in between your palms. Both legs forward. Fold forward. Stretch your arms in front of you. Arch back. So every time, look at me once now, everyone. So when you are, I tell you to stretch your arms forward from here, right? You are here. And when you are coming up, so you have to stretch your arms and your head will be in between your hands. So you will be coming with control, not like this. You are not coming like this. You have to stretch your arms in front of you and with control, head and hands should come together. And another thing, when you are in the plank position, right? So plank position, your shoulder and your wrist will be in one line. And your body will be in one line, straight line. And the next thing, when you are bringing your leg forward, then if it is here, you have to take the support and bring it in between your palms. And this is always straight. Toes are not like this, toes are always straight. So come into full position always and look up. And then other leg forward slowly and then again. Okay, let's do 2 more rounds. Inhale and exhale, prayer position. Inhale, arms up, arch back. While arching back also, your head will be in line with your hands. Fold forward. Slowly. Bend your knees, touch the floor. Take the right leg back, look up, right knee on the floor, right toes flat. Left leg in between your palms. Look up. Yes. Other leg back, plank position. Make sure your body in one straight line. Yes, Premlata, nice. Knees down, chest down, chin down. Knee, chest, chin down on the floor, hips up. Slide forward, head up, chest up, elbows bent, elbows close to the body. Feet together if you have no back pain. Hips up. to inverted V. Right leg forward. In between your palms, look up. Other leg forward. Very nice. Stretch your arms in front of you. Head up. Arch back. Slowly release. Left side. Inhale and exhale, prayer position. Inhale, arms up, arch back. Exhale, fold forward. Slowly and gently take your left leg back. Left knee on the floor, left toes flat. Make sure front knee is 90 degrees. Look up, everyone look up here. Every time look up. Take the other leg back. Plank position. Look at the top of your mat. Knees down, chest down, chin down. Slowly, slowly. Do not give jerks here. Elbows close to the body. Slide forward, head up, chest up. Whole body on the floor. Head up, chest up. Elbows close to body. Premlata. Yes. And then lift your hips up to Parvatasana. Bring your left leg in between your palms. Back knee on the floor, back toes flat, look up. Make sure front knee is 90 degrees. Kruti, stretch your back leg little more backwards. You can do it. Back leg जो है उसको और straight करने की कोशिश करो. Like this. Yeah, correct. Okay, other leg forward. Stretch your arms in front of you first before coming. Yes, now slowly come up. Stretch your arms and come up. Arch back and release. Last round. Inhale and exhale, prayer position. Inhale, arms up, arch back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, right back. Right knee on the floor, right toes flat, look up. Other leg back into plank position. Whole body in one straight line. Knees down, chest down, chin down. Hips up. Slide forward, head up, chest up. Lift your hips up to Parvatasana. Right leg forward. Back knee on the floor, back toes flat, look up. Other leg forward. Stretch your arms in front of you, come up, arch back slowly. Release. Left side, last. Inhale, exhale, prayer position. Inhale, arms up, arch back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, left leg back, left knee on the floor, left toes flat, look up. Hold your breath, other leg back to plank position. Whole body in one straight line. Knees down, chest down, chin down. Exhale. Hips up. Slide forward, head up, chest up. Premlata, head, the one position you are missing. Come down on the floor. Head up, chest up. Yes. Now lift your hips up. Lift your hips up to Parvatasana. Bring your left leg forward in between your palms. Look up. Other leg forward. Stretch your arms in front of you. Come up, arch back. Exhale and release. Just stretch your legs, relax yourself. Keep your legs wide apart, hands relaxed. Shake your hands, shake your legs. So Surya Namaskar works on entire body. It is a good warm up. So today we did it as a practice, but every day we will do Surya Namaskar as warm up. We will do that too. So you can sit back and relax. And I think you can lie down and relax. We'll do the final relaxation for today. So I have showed you how we will be doing the final relaxation. Each and every body part will be stretching and flexing. So I'll be guiding you. Lie down on your mat, feet apart. Hands away from your body, legs straight, legs mat width apart. Palms facing towards the sky. Open your palms. Let your armpit breathe. Take a moment. Just relax your mind. Just observe the practice of Surya Namaskar. You have worked on entire right side and entire left side of your body. This is after physical relaxation. You will feel deep meditative relaxation. So for physical relaxation, just lift your toes 1 inch above the mat, 2 inch above the mat. Lift your feet up and stretch your toes. Stretch, stretch, flex, stretch, flex. Stretch your toes. Move your toes like this. And then drop them slowly. Yes, drop them on the floor. Lift your hips up. Whole body on the floor, only hips up. Take the support and lift your hips up. Squeeze your butt. Squeeze it. Squeeze. Squeeze nicely. And drop. Lift your chest up. Only your chest. Open your chest wide. Stretch your chest completely. And drop. Lift your palms. Lift your hands 2 inches above the mat. Tight fist. Make a tight fist. Open, close. Tight fist. Open. Again close. And drop. Drop your hands. Shrug your shoulders to your ears. Shrug them nicely. Move your shoulders and drop. Move your head to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, and to the center. Squeeze your face. Completely squeeze your face muscles. Make lemony face. Squeeze your face completely. Open your eyes. Take your tongue out. Stretch your tongue completely. Stretch, 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 stretch and release. Now adjust yourself and come into Shavasana. Feet apart, hands apart, eyes closed. Your whole body touching the mat. Now listen to my voice. Just keep your neck straight and close your eyes. You can remove any watch, specs if you're wearing. Just listen. Now you have to focus completely on your breath and my voice. Do not move. Do not move your body at all. Just stay in a still position and observe mentally each and every body part which I am relaxing. Only take your focus to your toes. Observe your toes are getting relaxed. Your calf muscles are getting relaxed. Your knees and your thighs are relaxing. Relax your lower back, upper back, middle back. Relax your shoulders. Relax your arms, your fingers. Your right hand is getting relaxed. Relax your left hand completely. Bring your focus to your shoulders and neck. Your neck and shoulders are now completely relaxed. Relax your eyes, your nose, your mouth, your head. Your upper body is now completely relaxed. Relax your internal organs. Relax your abdomen. Relax your kidneys, your liver, your pancreas. Relax your heart. Relax your eyes, eyeballs. Your whole body from toe to top is completely relaxed. Now just observe your breath. Every breath, observe your belly rising up and down. Feel it. Bring your focus in between your eyebrow center and chant Om in your mind, or if you have any mantra or whichever deity or god you follow. Just keep your focus and chant. You are mentally relaxed with this. Slowly try to bring your awareness back to your body with complete breathing. Make sure you are breathing properly during the day, during your work, during your office. Gently move your legs, observe your legs, feel your toes. Move your hands little bit, move your fingers. Move your head side to side. Slowly and gently bring your legs together. Take your hands behind, over and above your head, legs straight, hands over and above your head like Tadasana. Stretch them nicely, completely stretch. Keep your eyes closed. Take a turn to any one side, release your hands and sit back with eyes closed. Take the support of your hand and then sit in any comfortable cross-leg position. We will end the session with 3 Om chanting and Shanti mantra. So chant it along with me if you know it or if you wish to. Else keep your eyes closed and stay in silence. Inhale deep. Inhale again. Inhale one more time. Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Just rub your palms slowly and gently. Generate nice heat. Cup it to your eyes. Slowly rub your palms again. Give the warmth to your heart. Roll your hands to your whole body and feel your body with your palms. Thank you. Now we still have 4 minutes. I would request all of you for a deep energy cleansing process. So what you have to do is, you just have to bring your palms together like we rub like this, okay? But at this time you have to rotate your palms in either one direction, okay? And as I say with my voice, you have to follow and rub your palms, and when I tell to roll it like a laddu, you have to make it, and then you have to bring it away from each other as I say. So just sit in comfortable cross-leg position and close your eyes for this practice. And you have to observe yourself a lot. Close your eyes, bring your palms together, spread your fingers and start to roll your hands and try to make a ball. Keep your palms together. Imagine as if you're making a ball. Rotate them. Now keep making the ball and take your hands away from each other very slowly. Very slowly roll it and slowly take it away from each other. Take away, make a big laddu, make a big ball, slowly rotate it. You will feel the magnetic force when you are rotating. You will feel a ball, imaginary ball. You will feel a force in between your palms. Just make it as big as possible. Hold it. You might be feeling like you are holding a magnet. And then slowly take this complete energy on top of your head and take it inside yourself from the top. Take it inside, roll your hands all over, bring it inside. This is the energy you have generated from your practice. Take complete energy into your body. And then slowly you can open your eyes. Thank you. Thank you everyone. Thank you for joining. See you tomorrow. Have a good day. Thank you.